Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I wanted to talk a bit about our remote support services. Our talented team of remote support professionals are here to support your day-to-day technology needs Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. When you submit a ticket, they work to fully understand your problem and work to get it resolved as quickly as possible. This will allow your team to stay productive and get through any technology challenges that are getting in the way. Behind the scenes, this team works to keep your environment documented so the most up-to-date information is available when support requests come in. They also monitor alerts and respond to system-generated alarms. The goal is always to be proactive where possible, and our remote services team works hard to identify and resolve problems before they have an impact on your environment. If you'd like to learn more about TeamLogic IT Managed Services and how our remote services team can help keep your business up and running, please reach out today. Until next time.